conclude the session. Any questions, please?
For Google Analytics, are there any SEO tools? Like I'm thinking, can you look up popular search terms by industry, and then you can include those as keywords in your site?
By all means. Actually, we did an experiment with that, and we made some good money out of it. And it's very easy. On Google Trend, they give you the hot 100 keyword search per region. So if we can use the API of that Google Trend and retrieve the top 100 keyword in this hour, and then use Yahoo API to find the related websites to those terms, push that together on an automatic website, you always have a constant updated website. You didn't do anything. You simply combined two things. You place on top of that some Google AdWords, you're making money. And that's it. So it's a piece of cake. So yes, there are other tools that can be created, that can be used, that helps into your SEO efforts. Please.
Would you be able to show us the website that women are spending 6 hours a day on?
Definitely. Actually, yeah, definitely. And it's surprisingly, it's not very nice. It's not nice at all. Yeah, this is it. Fatakat. Yes. So if we simply, just to analyze this website, we can simply go to compete.com and just type in Fatakat. And here, today we had 20,000, 12,000. Those are, but again, this, I would look at it with a grain of salt, because mainly Compete is using this data stream from US, not from down there. So that I would look at it from a grain of salt. But actually, I spoke with the gentleman who owned the website. It's a group of sisters that were bored, and then he knows some programming, and they did the website, and it's all over now. In Arabic.
Arabic.
Yes,
okay.
yes.
Okay, I have to find a friend that can read that.
Or use Google Translate.
Yeah, that's nifty, though.
Yeah, I agree.
Given that you've got all these great analytics, and you can tell a lot about what new visitors are, how they're finding you, is there enough behind that to really extrapolate metrics for a larger campaign, like non-online? Can you say, this is what the online visitor is, this is where they come from, and we know this about the psychographics of people that visit these other sites. Can you take that and extrapolate that into, say, the larger context?
Well, we can look at it from two different perspectives. Whether the larger context is sending traffic to me, or the online is, so it's two different ways. When it comes down to tracking the behavior of our campaign that we did on radio insertions, TV insertions, we usually add codes or 1-800 numbers that are connected to call centers, so that we can track exactly how that is reflected on our online efforts. This is one part, when we get from different type of medias to online. When we get it from online to different types of media, even still from outside to inside, maybe codes, different codes, promotion codes, to differentiate the different campaigns. When it comes down to connecting the online and the offline, some trial, actually it's one of our patents that we did, is combining the behavior of the user when they are interacting with the videos online, and then their behavior when interacting with the TV via their set-top box. So we added a small piece of hardware on the set-top box, and we send the signals from the set-top box to a server, and from the online to the server, and then we try to see the correlation. There is some kind of correlation, but to be valid, it needs a very large data set, so I can give you, but we did something similar to that. And not only us, a lot of companies are trying to do something similar to that.
The reason I'm asking is because it seems to me that this might be a really good way to take advantage of a small company.
Okay.
That can use Google Analytics. It might not have enough capital to, say, do a complete media analysis.
Yes.
They can use Google Analytics to say, most people from our site are coming from ESPN.
Okay.
Or, and then say, well, then we should be advertising more sports-oriented types of.
Yes, of course. For the media buying and media planning, that's what you mean. So, for instance, it can be As a small company, you will go with whatever thing that is free for you so that you can reach. Obviously, it will give you some insights that would help you, but again, I would look at it with a grain of salt. Because, any other questions? Thank you.